On May 7, 2025, deputies responded to a report of shoplifting at TJ Maxx. According to loss prevention personnel, 2 female suspects were observed concealing multiple items in bags. The suspects exited the store without attempting to pay, passing all points of sale. Loss prevention was able to provide a description of the vehicle the suspects fled in.
How you doing? Step out of the car for me.
Yes, sir.
86. Yeah, I believe it's going to be them. I got 3 females in the car. I think they're all involved.
3 females in the car. Oh, yes, sir.
Where y'all coming from? Huh? What? What? No, okay, quit. I said step out of the car, didn't I? All right,
Yes,
step out of the car.
sir.
Hey, quit moving around back there. Give me another unit here. I've got a bunch of stolen TJ Maxx. Up in front of you, I said. I don't care who she's calling. You understand? Don't drop your hands.
The car went. Can I lean up a little bit?
What?
The car went. Can I lean up a little bit? I'm not going to run anything crazy.
Yep, I just need to keep an eye on them from
Oh,
where you're
yes,
at.
sir.
I've got 3 in the car. I've got driver security, still 2 in the... Well, we're about to find out, all right? Just check pockets or whatever when you walk them back. We'll just need to do a show up whenever they get over there. You have a valid license or no? Huh? No? You on probation?
No, sir.
You on probation? Where you live? Where do you live? Okay. All right. I'm going to use the back of my hand just to go over your pockets, make sure you got... Is there any weed or anything in the car you know about?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I mean, I can smell it. So. All right, again, back of my hand, okay? I'm not grabbing your butt. All right, turn around and relax right here for me. Turn around and relax. She's saying it was her and another one in the store. She said
The one in your car. I think she's on. I saw myself here in 18.
You're out here committing new crimes when you get sentenced? They ain't gonna like that. Sentenced to what? 180 days? Just for driving? Are you habitual?
Yes.
All right, here, let's walk back here. Let's get you out of the rain and at least get you dry for now. You don't want to go in the back? All right. Can you just,
This has still got a sticker on it.
you see all this clothes in the back? They all have TJ Maxx tags?
No, there's yeah, they stuffed all the tags, started stuffing the tags in the back pocket here.
So the back seat passenger's sitting on all those, the pregnant one. I did ask her, but she's not been... Do you see a purse or anything else on the front?
Yeah,
Is anyone's
purse,
name?
yeah.
Was there any IDs or anything? I mean, look at all those tags right in front of where the one in the back's sitting.
Yeah.
That are all ripped off. So the pregnant one was here sitting on all these clothes,
Okay.
and right in front of her is all the ripped off tags.
Which one did you say? I was not sitting on it. I swear for God. I was,
You were in the back seat, right?
but that was not my
I know,
stuff.
but all this clothes right here, you were literally, when you got out of the car, it was behind you. You were sitting on it.
I literally asked the lady that just took her. I told her when I was...
When she gets back up here.
Because I was not stealing. Like, what? I did not do nothing. They could vouch for that. I did not steal. That's not none of my stuff. That's not mine. I don't steal. You see my shirt. I don't steal. This is not my cup of tea at all.
Then why don't you tell them to stop? Why are you with them?
All she asked me to do was ride with her. I did not know.
Seats.
You're
laying on top of all of it.
I wasn't doing it like that to hide it. I was not doing that. That's
I know,
not
but you're laying on top of all of it. It's all stolen stuff.
Not my stolen shit. No, hell no. Not my stolen shit. Sorry, excuse my French, but not my stolen
you're the
shit.
one. Yeah, I get it.
No, not the
I
one.
get it.
like
You're
that.
laying on top.
I'll talk to the deputy. No.
So the deputy that's investigating it is dropping the witness back off at the store, and then they'll come up here and talk to you. But you're under arrest for sure. Are you out on bond right now? Because you got a bunch of theft history in tons of different counties. So this is a felony for you, for both of them. Lobby?
No, sir.
You sure? You never went in any
Honest
store?
to God, no, sir.
Was she in any of these stores? No?
We're gonna find out if you were.
Yeah.
We can all go to the pictures of
You really could. Yeah, you need to get good pictures of her before you cut her loose.
Take a picture before.
Yeah, just take the 2 and be done with it.
Pose.
Yeah.
The women were charged with possession of an anti-shoplifting